morning, Mayor. It's such a wonderful day for you, right?
Yes, Russell. Now we got the money from the budget. We can enjoy for a while, right? Russell, I want to make you this money legal. I don't want any issue.
Of course, Mayor. I will make sure that you will be able to enjoy your riches.
I'm counting on you. I make sure I reward you fully.
So these past 6 months, I've been investigating where the missing funds were. It seemed that how where did it go? So the funds that were taken by the mayor, as he said, it was going fund for cash assistance for students. There have been news about cash assistance. So I found that the money has been deposited to different bank accounts to make it looks like it's illegal.
So, do you have enough evidence for this?
Yes, I found.
Okay.
Is the mayor here?
Yes, he's here.
Good morning, mayor.
Good morning, Prisoner. How can I help you?
I've been investigating about the missing funds and I found out you and your assistant have been depositing in different banks to make it illegal.
That's a baseless accusation.
I have all necessary evidence here in my hand. Please arrest us too. We are live here at the mayor's office to witness the arrest of Mayor Gukor. It has been said that he's been laundering illegal money from the government budget. He's been under investigation for months by the COA and now he's under arrest for the crime of money laundering. Mayor, what can you say about your arrest?
This is a baseless accusation. I'm innocent.
Ma'am, what can you say about this? Yes. The mayor is to be taken for further interrogation and he's going to be in our custody. I have some evidence here in my hand, but I will not be one to be final verdict. Thank you. This is Justin Avagayo reporting.